Alleged middleman in the Augusta Westland chopper deal, Christian Michel, will be produced in the Patiala House Court today. The Enforcement Directorate is likely to move an application before the court on seeking custody of Christian Michel. During the last hearing, the CBI told the court that the 57-year-old British national had paid 92.3 lakh rupees for travel of some Air Force officials and their family members between 2009 and 2013. Michel is an accused in the 3,600 crore Augusta Westland VIP chopper deal finalized during the UPA regime and was recently extradited from Dubai. Going across to my colleague Anisha Mathur, who is joining me for more on the story. Anisha, what is expected today? Last time the CBI said that they have made some headway as far as the interrogation of Christian Michel is concerned. What is going to be the sequence of events in the court today?
Well, Ankit, in just a little while, in just a few minutes, the hearing on the bail application that has been filed by Christian Michel is scheduled to start. He has claimed in his petition that the CBI does not have any new evidence against him, that all the documentation that the CBI is relying upon has already been considered by the Italian courts, and therefore he should be granted bail. We will have to wait and see how exactly the CBI is going to counter this, because so far the CBI has been maintaining that he is in fact helping them connect the dots. Last time also they had said that he had admitted to funding the travel of some senior IAF officials and their families. The CBI has refused to give specifics in open court. They've been saying that their investigation is at a delicate stage, that they are unearthing more and more evidence, and they want to look into the entire sequence of the money trail, the conspiracy, and who exactly were the officials and the politicians involved in the Augusta Westland chopper case. Now today during the hearing, the CBI is likely to explain a little more detail exactly what it is that they have unearthed so far. From the information that has come out in public domain so far, the CBI in the last hearing had said that they are trying to trace certain connections of money. They are trying to trace certain transactions. Last time, Christian Michel's lawyer had also appeared before the court saying that she should be allowed to meet him. She's also raised certain allegations that she's afraid that he is going to be targeted because it's a political ploy. Now, all of these arguments are going to be considered by the court today. Ankit.
Thank you so much for joining us with all those details.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.